Look at the Safsira Embeddable Design Lab. Of course, this is a completely white label experience. You can embed it directly into your own platform, add a custom header, sidebar, footer. Of course, you can customize pricing for each of your users. I'm going to just show you some of the functionality here by designing a Stanley tumbler first. So you can see we've got the tumbler here. We're looking at the back side. There's only one decoration location in this case. You can see the dimensions here. And in terms of imprint method, just one available, which is screen print. So I'll go ahead and just upload some artwork. At Safsira, we use software to instantly render your artwork production ready based on the requirements of the product that's being designed. So in this case, because it's a screen printed item, we have two requirements. One is we need a vector file. So we've just converted that PNG to this vector image here. And the second is that we need to convert from hex colors to PMS colors. You can go ahead and change this using our selector tool here if you want to maybe make this white. If you have a specific PMS color in mind, you can also type it in there. And then you can go ahead and add the artwork to your file library. As you place artworks now on the product you're designing, you'll see that the item price will change dynamically. So right now it's at $49 for this tumbler blank. We always include the first color free. So in this case, if I add this dolphin, the price stays the same, but I can visualize the dimensions in real time as I move it. And if I wanted to, for example, add this 3-color artwork here, you'd see that the price is now $50.80. Another thing that's really cool about Safsira is we don't let incorrect orders go through to production. So if I were to add, say, this swan logo, let's see what happens. I get an error from the system that my artwork has 5 colors, but the maximum allowed for this imprint method is 4. So actually, you can't send a bad PO using Safsira. We'll always remind the user to make changes and ensure that that PO is perfect and ready to go right into production to take advantage of the fastest possible lead times and remove any doubt about what the user is ultimately going to receive. Another thing that's cool is if you're just using this as an admin, for example, to create mockups, you can certainly create mockups here and just publish them to a website, or you could use the Safsira Shopify app as well to populate a web store. But you could download this mockup as well if you wanted to use it anywhere else. Next, I'm going to show you something a little different, which is this Nike dry fit polo here. So you can see we've got both the front and the back of the polo as decoration options. This is a direct to film print, and I could add artworks to the left chest and the right chest on the front side. So we've got a $42.17 polo right now. If I add the Safsira logo to this chest, that will stay the same. Again, that's the first color, first impression. And then if I go and add something to the back, maybe I'll add this giant Viking helmet. Now you'll see that the pricing has changed automatically. With all Safsira products, in this finalized design step, you can rename the product. So if this were going into a company-specific web store, you could put the company's name here before the polo. You can name it however you want, really. Tags are also really great. If you want to sync over directly to Shopify, we'll populate those relevant tags for you as well. Again, this is all a completely white label experience, so it'll live in your website. It just takes 2 days to integrate with Safsira to start selling. Every user will have their own file library, so no 2 users will see anybody else's artworks. And of course, you got a full a range of products across hard goods, soft goods, technology products, more coming online every day, from print on demand to bulk, eligible for shipping both in the US and abroad. So feel free to drop a comment if you'd like to learn more. Happy to hop on a call and talk about what Safsira can do for you.